Okay, so a little work on the disco today. For some reason, somehow, I don't know how, but the stud came out of the engine mount on the left side, passenger side, and obviously with it, the nut. So I've sourced a new one from a salvage yard, and in case anyone wondered, this, if you need to get one out of the salvage yard, is an E10. See if I can get that on there. E11. Sorry, E11. So the E11 fits there, and then this bolt is an 18. So if you need to do that, then an 18. Okay, I am going to put some Loctite on it this time, and hopefully I won't have that problem. So I'm going to put the stud up there first with some Loctite, and then go back and put the nut. So there's my engine mount. Don't know why there's no stud up there. We're about to put a new one in. All right, got it all installed. Here's a weird thing. Yes, got a little leak. It's not a Land Rover. How would you know when to fill it up? This one doesn't have the E thread on this end. It's almost like it was installed differently. So very interesting. Anyway, got it installed.